Several law enforcers have started implementing quarantine control points to the borders of Metro Manila, Bulacan, Rizal, Cavite, and Laguna. PNP Chief Police General Guillermo Eleazar says this is to control the movement of non-authorized persons outside of residence to avoid the spread of COVID-19 Delta variant.
Nag-utos na rin tayo at nagbigay ng guidance sa ating Commander Joint Task Force COVID Shield at sa Direktor ng NCR Plus at iba pang mga unit commanders para sa pagpaigting ng ating checkpoint operations.
Only authorized person outside of residence or will be allowed to pass through the checkpoints. Considered upper under the Omnibus guidelines are health and emergency frontline services and uniformed personnel, government officials and employees on official travel, duly authorized relief and humanitarian assistance actors, persons traveling for medical or humanitarian reasons, persons going to and from the airport, anyone crossing zone for work is in permitted industries and public utility vehicle operators. Uppers must present either their IATF, company IDs, or certification of employment to pass through the checkpoint. Vehicles found to be transporting children will be ordered to return to where they came from. Senior citizens are also prohibited unless they will go to the vaccination center.
As long as ipakita nila ang kanilang mga cellphones na nagsasabi na may mga due for vaccination sila.
In addition to quarantine control points, PNP will also deploy personnel in the places of convergence.
Magde-deploy din po tayo ng mga personnel dedicated para mag-check o magpatrolya sa mga areas ng point of convergence, lalong sa mga palengke.
The armed forces of the Philippines will also help in the heightened border control in Metro Manila.
Ang ating AFP Joint Task Force National Capital Region ngayon is we are currently coordinating with NCR Plus for deployment dito sa mga quarantine control points within Metro Manila and nearby provinces.
AFP spokesperson Colonel Ramon Zagala says they will give free ride for affected commuters if it is needed.
At the moment, nag-prepare muna tayo ng mga assets, no, to assist essential workers through i-prepare pa lang natin, no, through libreng sky kung kailangan, no, at mga iba nating resources will also be used to enforce ESQ katulad ng anything will support the unimpeded flow of essential personnel, goods, services throughout the duration of the quarantine restriction.
Eleazar reminded the police not to hinder delivery trucks and cargoes. There are dedicated control points or separate lane provided for cargo trucks so they don't get stuck in long queue of vehicles in checkpoint areas. Leia Ilagan, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.